Hey guys, it's Molly. I'm doing the black base, so I let you guys decide this is what you wanted to see. So I'm gonna do a black base and a silver base for the rainbow compilation. You guys make sure to stick around at the end. I show you the dried result. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Welcome to my channel if you're new, and let's get painting the rainbow. All right, hey guys, it is black base rainbow time. If you guys have been following along the series, I have been doing bases of rainbow colors and blowing them out. So this is my second time trying this one. I'll tell you what happened as I pour the colors. So actually I'll tell you, so the first time I had too much black left on the canvas, too much paint, and my silver was too thin. And I even said it on the video. I was like, oh my gosh, my silver's too thin. I could tell because it bled really fast into the colors. But when I went to go set it down, it shifted. And as soon as it shifted, and I even leveled out the area, as soon as it shifted, the color started to break away and you could see underneath. So the whole painting just kind of spread out and was broken. And I was heartbroken because it was beautiful. So I'm gonna do it again. I'm not gonna get discouraged, and I'm gonna learn from my lesson, and I'm gonna do this one with less paint. And I don't know what I'm gonna do for I wanted to try, you guys had so many good recommendations. I wanted to try the silver base, and I wanted to try the all the colors blown out. You guys had recommended the silver base because silver is what I've been using in all the pours. So I think I may do that one. I was really leaning towards the rainbow blowout, but I don't know. We'll see how this one comes out, and that'll kind of help me decide, I think. Okay, I'm getting to the point where I'm putting too much down because I'm just talking to you. Okay, I've got a lot of yellow. Got my green. Putting all these down. One more thing of red right there in the center. Okay. Now let's try this again. So one thing with yellow as well, here I'll torch while I, one thing with yellow and black, sometimes it goes to green, but if you want to try to mitigate that, you can find a black base that has a reddish tint to it if you don't want green. Oh, I have a little string on my canvas. I'll have to cut that off. Yikes. If you don't want it to go to green, use one that has a red base, like a Mars. I'm using oxide black here, but like a Mars black. Lamp black, for instance, has a bluish tint to it, so that would lend itself more to green. So all of those things, I've learned so much while I've been doing this entire process, the way that the colors blend together and just what to use, what to pair together, how to blow. This has just been an amazing journey. And some of you have shown me some of your pictures that look amazing. Okay, here we go. So my silver is definitely better this time because it's not bleeding into the other colors as much. Okay, to pour the black around or not? I think I'm not, and I'm just gonna blow it out. Okay, this looks really cool, and I have this kind of line all the way down through here that's really cool. So I'm much happier with how this came out. My composition is a little bit I like the composition of the other one better. Let me just fiddle for 1 second with this. Yeah, so if your paints are like, if you have just a couple drops too much paint, too much water in your paint, if they're too thin, the whole painting will not turn out. And it's just, it's scary how much the consistency matters. Okay, so I've got this part right here. And I think maybe one more little bit. I don't want to drop it. Maybe one more little bit, right? Gosh, I don't know. I don't know, guys. I don't know what I want to do because this doesn't have a ton of paint here. And it's going to get muddy if I fiddle with it too much. I may just leave this. I think I'm just going to leave it. I think I'm going to accept it for what it is and be extremely happy about it because I like it. I like it a lot. It is super colorful. Yeah. All right, let me show you. All right, I think this is really cool. I did just blow that one little part. That straight line through there was bothering me a little bit, but I like this much better. This right here was where I blew that out, and do you see how that silver, oh, let me focus. Do you see how that silver is like sitting on top? It's gorgeous right there. And then there is where that silver interacted with all the colors. It's just really, really gorgeous. Love that corner up there. So bright, funky, and we'll see how it dries and see if it kind of fits in with the rest. And then I think maybe I don't know if I'm gonna skip the colorful blowout and maybe just go straight to the silver base. I'll see how much silver I have left. All right, let me know your thoughts and I will show you the dried result. Okay, here they are, all in the order that I made them. I love them. Oh, they're each so unique. Oh, I lost daylight putting them up, but so lighting is suboptimal. And when I put my lights in here that I use for the videos, then it's like the silver is like blinding. But that is all silver. Gorgeous. You can see some of the details. I love that little burst of color that I did right there. I love that. Okay, so black has my vote for now. And then let me see if I can, well, maybe I'll do that. I'm gonna do the silver one for sure. So after that one, you guys can tell me what you like and then we can rearrange them all. All right. Thank you guys for watching. Happy painting. Bye.